Hello, I'm Jeremy Shipley, and today I'm here to talk to you about some of the plants that grow in my area and how Native Americans use them for medicinal uses. One being sassafras, which in modern times has been used in root beer as the main flavor. However, the FDA removed it due to safrole being in it. But however, there's been studies done that there's more safrole in a can of beer than there ever was in root beer. So, anyway, sassafras, which is a root of a tree, has been used for as a tea to purify blood and for a variety of ailments, including skin diseases, rheumatism, and ague. Poultices were made to cleanse wounds and sores, while root bark was tea for diarrhea or for over fatness. Probably one of the first weight reduction remedies to hit the market. So, sassafras tea was also thought to cure scurvy, syphilis, and other unpleasant maladies. It was also served, like I said, as a tea. And I know, as far as my family is concerned, because we have a lot of Native American blood in us, I have uncles that have used sassafras tea as a blood thinner. They was actually told to stop drinking so much because it does thin out your blood way too much if you overindulge. Now, the other plant would be sumac, which there's a different varieties of sumac. Some are actually poisonous, other ones are not. This is the non-poisonous one, of course. Wild sumac was used extensively for food. Like you could actually, you could eat the fruit raw, cooked, or it even was used in the treatment of tuberculosis, diabetes, and some cancers. Now it contains tannic acid, which is used for tanning hides. They also did an infusion of sumac bark or roots as an antiseptic, astringent, diuretic. And it was also used in the treatment of colds, diarrhea, fevers, and just general ailments all around. And the thing is, it can be used, any part of the plant could actually be used in a medicinal aspect, from the roots, the bark, to the berries, just all around, just a great medicinal plant as far as Native Americans is concerned. As I said, you can also do an herbal wine, can be prepared from the seeds. Seeds were also used as dye. Well, seeds were used as in making candles, and dye is also obtained from the berries. And one thing is, sumac is actually found in all 48 of the lower, or all 48 lower states. And it tends to be invasive. So again, it grows everywhere, and it can take over an area even. And also, it can be harvested pretty much all year round. Like you can get the young shoots, the edible young shoots in spring, and you can get roots and berries in the fall. It was also considered to be a sacred plant to Native Americans because they used it to also help foretell the changing of the seasons and the weather. So as you can tell, these are two of the plants that have probably some of the most beneficial medicinal herbs, if you will, for Native American use. So I hope you learned a little bit about sumac and sassafras that you may have not known before. Thank you for watching and have a great day.